we have already learned about the long wall short wall method of building estimate. It is also called separate or individual wall method, because in this method we treat the short walls and the long walls separately. So here in this problem we will try to calculate the different quantities, or we will try to prepare an estimate of a small building as given in this figure. As you can see, this is a small building, consists of just 2 rooms and 1 veranda. So we will try to prepare a detailed estimate of this building by long wall short wall method. As you can see, there are 2 rooms and 1 veranda. The inside to inside dimensions are given, not center to center, mind you. Only the inside to inside dimensions are given. From here, this dimension, from this wall to this wall, it is given as 3.5 meter. From this wall to this wall, it is given as 4 meter. From this wall to this wall, it is given as 4 meter. From this wall to this wall, it is given as 4 meter. So only the inside to inside dimensions are given, not center to center. Okay, we will have to calculate the center to center dimensions from these inside to inside dimensions separately for the long walls and short walls. Okay, so the width of the veranda is also given, 2.5 meter. Okay, these are the column positions. There are all total 9 columns are there. The thickness of the superstructure walls are also given here, as you can see, 0.25, 0.25. So the thickness of the walls, the superstructure walls are given as 0.25 meter. The column size is also given, 0.25 by 0.25. So the size of the column is 0.25 meter by 0.25 meter. Okay. This is the footing size, 0.9 by 0.9. Okay. This is the footing plan of this column. And if we take section at any portion of the walls, suppose we at this position of the wall we are taking section A, and this is the sectional view of that at that point. This is called wall footing. Okay, so under all the walls, beneath all the walls, these details are there. Okay, this is the section A. At this point we are taking this section. So this is the sectional view at AA. Okay, so here we can see this is the ground level. This at the very bottom there is a PCC bed. There is a PCC bed of 1.5 meter width, and the thickness or height of the PCC bed is 0.1 meter. Then comes the first step of the footing, wall footing. It is of 1.1 meter width and 0.25 meter height. Second step is 0.7 meter width and 0.25 meter height. Third stage is the plinth wall. It is 0.5 meter width and 0.4 meter high, 0.1 below the ground level and 0.3 above the ground level. So total 0.4 is the height of the plinth wall. Okay. Above the plinth wall there is a superstructure wall, and the height of the superstructure wall is given as 3.3 meter, and the thickness of the superstructure wall is given as 0.25 meter. Here in the drawing also it is given as 0.25 meter, and the section is also mentioned that the width of the superstructure wall is 0.25 meter. So these are the details of the wall footing. So from these details we will try to prepare the detailed estimate of this small building. Okay.